Let's talk about circumference of a circle. We just got finished doing perimeter and area. Circumference is kind of like perimeter. We don't call it perimeter because perimeter deals with sides, and since the circle doesn't have any sides, I suppose the equivalent to perimeter would be circumference, which is nothing but the walk around the circle, okay? And the way we find the circumference is we take the diameter. Now the diameter is the line that goes straight through the center of the circle to the other side. And we multiply by pi. This is the pi sign which we've been given. And pi in this case we're going to keep it at 3.14. If we ever use fractions and need to use the fractional equivalent, that would be 22 over 7. Which when divided will turn out to be 3.14 and a lot of other numbers after that, but we usually cut it off at the hundreds place, okay? So on this particular one, if you want to find the walk around, simply take the diameter, the 6, and multiply it by 3.14. So when I multiply the 6 by 3.14, we have 6 times 4 is 24, 6 and 2 more make 8, and 18. Now, remember what we do with the decimals. We see how many numbers we have to the right of the decimal, and we have 2. So we need to start at the end and move over 2 places. The answer to this, the circumference of this circle with a diameter of 6 inches is 18.84 inches. Okay? All right, let's try this decimal one. The diameter has been given as 7.2. So I'm going to take the 3.14, which is pi, and I'm going to multiply by 7.2. Now I'm going to go ahead and write the answer, and then we're going to place the decimal, okay? The answer on this one. Now, let's figure out where the decimal place should go. 2 numbers to the right of the decimal, 1 number to the right, so let's start here and move over 3 places. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 22.608, or you could round it up to 22.61, depending on whatever the request might be. Now, a lot of times you're not given diameter. Sometimes you're only given radius, so we need to talk about that as well. Okay? Let's say that you have a circle, and this time they're giving you the radius. Now the radius is nothing but half the diameter, so you know it takes 2 of those to make the diameter. So in this particular case, if the radius were 4 inches, the formula is going to be not diameter times pi. It's going to be, the circumference is going to be 2 times the radius, which is equal to the diameter, times pi. So 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 times pi is back where we started, which is 3.14 times 8, and then multiply as we have done. Okay?